Oh, everybody, Joe right here. A quick lick for you here. It's gonna be on 5 and 6. A and B pedals will be used, and thumb one move and one thumb. Now that's it. That's all we're gonna do. So let's go down here to fret 3, key of C, A, B down. Now all I'm gonna do is first move we learn is thumb 1. Then we're gonna do one thumb. All right, let's take thumb 1, and now I'm gonna, that's all, and all we're gonna do with the pedals, they're gonna be on and off. So we're gonna start with a pedal, thumb 1, and then we're gonna put the pedal move on thumb. So I'm gonna go thumb, release, 1. Now I'm gonna go thumb, pedal, 1. So it's get that under your belt. That's blocking them. Now I'll let them all ring. All right. So we're just doing simple moves. So now I'm going to do thumb 1, 1 thumb, and I'll do the thumb 1, release on the second move, down on the second move. All right, so I'm doing it the other way. So let's go back to fret 3, and I'm going to start now with the 1 thumb, and I'll put the move on the pedal move on the first move. So we go 1 thumb, thumb 1. So what happened there? We're going thumb or 1 thumb, and the move is right off the bat. 1 move thumb. And our move happens to be releasing A and B. Same thing here. We're going to go thumb 1 first, thumb, move 1. Alternate those two. All right, now we got a choice. We can put the move on the first or the second finger move. So let's try it. Let's do thumb, move 1. Now 1 move thumb. All right. Now that's putting the move on the first. When I say a move, the pedal move on the first finger move. So here we're going to put it on the second finger move. Thumb 1, move, 1 thumb, move. That's it. So where can we use this? You see the possibilities are endless, because we got we can learn. You just got to learn to put that move on the any finger and then a pedal move. And now we can take it, instead of coming off A and B, we can go, just come off A, stay on B. So there's the moves here. Learning to play the little bitty moves and adding something to them combined, and one day you'll do this. Joe Wright here with another quick click. Get a chance, subscribe. Thanks for stopping by.